Hello. Hi, my friends. How I promise, I will try to do a tutorial for next page from my coffee album. Let's go to do it. For beginning, I want to show how I make pages, because how I tell the cover I find in my stash. So I have that post office envelopes, and they measure 25 and half, 75 and 3.3 and 17.5 centimeters. And because my cover was not enough long, so I cut from envelope 2.5 centimeters, how I did. Then I score 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It's 1 and 1. Then I fold it, that I cut. Score line I folded 1 and 2. And then I get measurement for pages 21 by 17.5 centimeters. So it's that. 1 second. We can't see on camera. Is that okay? And then this part, this one, I glue on middle, and that is other centimeter is that I want to pages stay a little bit up. So that is about pages. And then to make quickly my tutorial, I cut one leftover paper from I think that was from Stamperia, but I have leftover paper from all my 4 albums which I made with theme coffee. So let's go to do with that. That measure 21 by 17.5 centimeters. That will be other one, will we talk later. So let's go to do it with that. I get idea from, because for me always paper talking. So I get idea about that, how it's called, tags. And for beginning, I take brown color box. It safe in my stash 22 years. So first I distress the edges, because I love when edges are stressed, if it's not just white. Here oh boy, okay, doesn't matter, okay. And now that paper tell me, Alena, make some pocket. And my idea was to make pocket about this line about coffee packages. So let's go to do it. What I do is just take a knife and go around these packages. My English is not very well. Now up and here. Go, 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 go. Stop. Then here. And here. Down. And a little bit here. I need open for 15.5 opening to make sense to put 15.5 photomat there, so it's working. Okay, now again I take it my tools and make edge distressed. Okay, and usually I do also the top. So pages is prepared, and now we're going to decorate it. So I prepare fine between my stash, cut, so maybe I glue that here, and that ground and coffee here, and that Arabica coffee here, and that will be all. Okay, so let's go to do it. Everything I distress. That is from Junk Journal, Coffee Time, from Stamperia. That are, I don't know if also from them, maybe from other collections. Yeah. Here I want to little bit add that brown. How look. That trees from coffee. Okay. Coffee trees. Okay, okay. So now I just take it glue. Hope we're working. It's tacky glue inside. And let's go to glue it. One. Roasted coffee. Okay. One. Arabica. That beautiful store. Cafe store. I leave a little bit top off because it will be touch the pocket, I think. Here it's too much. And now, which side is nicer that? Okay. I forgot to tell you, this decor on that piece inspire me for other side. So next page will be have that decor, and also that tags inspire me make these tags, and I will try to show you how I do that tags. Okay, so now we have page already done. Now I turn on a back and take double side. Oh, glue, 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 glue. It's very important to close. Okay, okay, dokie. I want to make the video. Oops. We have to check what have to be left, because here will be pocket, so that stay empty. So tape come here. On the bottom I put smaller tape, thinner here. Okay, sides can have that big one. And then I use bone to put touch to be stronger, the glue. And now with glue go around, especially around where pocket is. Okay, now I can take off the tape, top of double tapes. And secure the edges of the page. So we go like that. Here and here. Third and fourth. Third and fourth. Corners are important. Okay. Now I take it album and I going to put decorate page on page in album. So here, here, here. The bone. I will put some coffee here. I don't like it. because of course I always talking scrapbooking, you never can break something. It's paper, you always can fix it. So I fixed it like this. Okay, and now for beginning I was thinking make maybe some tab, but all pages I just make shortly. Okay, so I cut that, and here we have pocket. Envelope, okay. Okay, so you see I put glue on the edge, so I have to take off, and now I have place for photomat. So that is for today page how I did. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.